Greetings everybody, I am Johnny Singh from Team 123 International. I would like to share with you the reason why I do Royal Q with such a passion. Right? I would like to show you live my back office and what Royal Q has done for me since I've started. Right? To do that, let's look at my screen first. I am Team 123 International. I am a V6 at this moment, and today as I am recording this, you will see exactly what has happened for me in the past 9 months and 3 weeks that I've joined Royal Q. But first, before we start, let's look at the size of the team first. Right? At this point of recording, 1st March, the team is 78,737 activated members. Right? Now, this is over 9 months, and I would like to stress very clearly that the entire team was raised digitally. When I started this, we were experiencing a lockdown, and there was no chance to do face-to-face meetings. So all the while I was just doing Zooms, right? And at the beginning when I started, I used to do 8 or 9 Zooms, right? Until today, we do Zooms, we meet with people. We look forward to the time when we can travel and we can meet people, we meet our team members across the globe. But at this moment, I would just like to share what has happened for me in the 9.5 months, right? Royal Q came to me at a time where the entire world was going through a pandemic, right? And this is the size of as you have seen the team. Let me show you what happens on the reward on a daily basis. This is a daily reward, daily income. As of recording, it's 1st of March. And let me show you my journey when I started with Royal Q. I started with Royal Q on the 8th of May 2021, right? What I did was I just liked what I saw. I was interested and I was looking for a trading platform. And what I did was I found out about Royal Q, and I looked at, I called a friend and I took the link from him and I get started. My intent at the beginning was simply to try out the robot. Right, but what was exciting was that what got me interested was within 3 minutes, 3-4 minutes, I was already trading. So because of that, I felt that maybe I could use this as something that I could share with people, and I could teach or rather guide and help some friends to do trading, because I have always been asked by friends to teach them trading, and also have told, but I've always mentioned to them I'm not in the position to teach you trading because I'm not trained for that. However, I can tell you about the coins and I can tell you some things about the market. I know a little bit here and there, but I am not able to train you. But many people would like to have some experience in trading, would like to experience some trading rather, right? And so with that, I thought it would be interesting. And then what I did was I just kind of like said that, I was not doing any network at that moment, but I decided that I'll look at if the affiliate program, I'll look at it and see. I liked what I saw. From the moment I saw it and I realized how they have broken it down, I decided that I wanted to do this program. But what I did in the first 3 days was I literally spent 3 days studying, understanding, and recognizing every angle of the compensation plan, of the entire program, and then the rank up system. Because as I wanted to start, I wanted to be sure that I know exactly what I'm seeing, exactly what I'm going to do, and how I'm going to present it. I wanted to understand the compensation plan fully, because I like to make sure that I can maximize from the compensation plan. I do not like to manipulate with the compensation plan. However, I like to maximize, and I like to understand the rank up system. So once I understood everything, the first 3 days I just tested a little bit, tried a little bit here and there. Just to make sure that because Royal Q mentioned that you can withdraw instantly as long as you have commissions. So what I did was I tested out and I tried, and once I had that confidence that this system was really something that is going to change people's lives and my life too, and put me in a position where I would be able to really literally do network marketing the way I like to do it, right? Then I started. In my first week, I became a V2. And in 19 days, I became a V3. I wanted to do this all out. Even in the beginning, in the first month itself, my income was exciting. All right, so I started and I moved, and then I moved on and moved on, and I became a V4, and then I became a V5, and on October, 3rd of October, 141 days into the business, I became a V6. When I became a V6, income was exciting. As I was approaching V6, already income was beginning to become exciting. This was when I became a V6, right? Income increased, doubled, 5,000, 6,000. This was a bullish month, right? Why is it important that if it's a bullish month, we get more? Because our compensation plan is connected with, we have two components to the compensation plan. One part is the activation gain, and one part is the theme quantification. So from theme quantification, we get quite a fair bit of this is good and great news, because one thing for sure is that as long as our team is making money, we are happy. And on the 1st of November, my one-day income was 23,000 USDT. Why was that so? Because Royal Q pays us for V6. Once you arrive at V6, you will be paid. There are two extra bonuses for V6. One is the team quantification, the global dividend, and one is activate global dividend. What is global dividend? Global dividend is 10% of all the entire community's trading profit is that comes to the company. The company keeps and reserves 10% of whatever they receive and shares it with the V6. There are some criteria to it, but it doesn't matter. When you get there, it will be explained in detail. All right, and then life went on, moved on and moved on. It was good and great. 5,000, 4,000, 3,000, 2,000. This was great income. Really, totally, this is daily. And then on the 1st of December, there was another $21,000 because they paid global dividend again. This was ongoing, and this is really the daily income. I'm sharing the back office with you to show you the proof that how dynamic and how strong and how powerful the compensation plan is. This is really what Royal Q has done for me. You see, no matter what is it, at the end of the day, we are willing to look at this on the 1st of January, the first day we entered into 2022. There was a global dividend. November was a December was a bearish month, so there wasn't much profit for the company in terms of the trade profit share. So we received this still 6,997 on the first day of the year. It's a very pleasant surprise, right? Though there are some criteria now and some things have changed, but it doesn't matter. You know, the compensation plan is still dynamic. The compensation plan is fantastic. And what is happening is that on a daily basis still, there is very much a wonderful income for people who are willing to take this to the next level, bring this to the level that it's supposed to bless you. Why am I saying that? Is because, you see, there are many compensation plans out there that promised us many things but they couldn't fulfill. I'm here to share with you that Royal Q has kept its promises. Royal Q has fulfilled whatever it was they have promised. And this compensation plan is really, really something that you're looking at, that is real, live, my back office, right? And I'd like to point out something. Look at this. In 9.5 months, the total income that I've earned is 615,660 USDT. This is phenomenal to me. I've done some work before. I had some success in some other platforms, right? Especially product platforms, and I was also in insurance for a couple of years. I've seen a lot of commission income, but I've never seen anything like this. This is really just such an arrangement that as long as you are doing what you need to do, the compensation plan will do for you what you deserve. In any organization that we join, we want to look at the compensation plan. We want to work with the compensation plan, not because we are just doing it for money. However, you know, if the compensation plan is not dynamic enough, then we're gonna work as hard as we would work in any organization anyway. We are serious about business when we start, and we like to do it the way it should be done. However, many times, many organizations could not survive, or either they didn't fulfill their promise. I'm here to share with you. I am an owner of proof. I'm proving to you that this is what Royal Q has done for me. Why do I share this? Why do I Why am I so passionate about this? Is because I want to represent Royal Q accurately. It really doesn't matter to me if anybody after this, watching this, join or do not join. But what I feel is that for all that Royal Q has done for me, my role and my responsibility is to really share Royal Q accurately. This is an organization that has set themselves up to bless us. This is an organization that has created everything that needs to be done fairly. This is an organization that has done what they need to do. For us, we are really, really thankful for this platform, and we would like to share it freely with everybody. Even if the only reason why I've earned more is because I started first. If you start today, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year from now, you probably will be sharing your testimony. And let me show you where the income comes from. One is activation. This is total team activation of the 70,000 people, 78,000 right now, people who have been in the organization. They contribute to part of the income. And team quantification, which is trade profits. This portion itself is the one thing that proves that the robot that has been doing the trading for us, the bot that is trading for us, is producing results. Why so? Because if they are not producing, the robot is not producing result, the company will not have a 20% share. And the company actually shares from the 20% whatever they receive, and they share it with the network, which is us. Right? Look at this. Just in 9.5 months, I've got 148,426 USDT from trading team quantification income alone. Not my trading. For me to get 148,000 USDT, if I am using my own capital to trade, I would need a very large capital. You know, our trade profits will always be limited by the capital that we have. And only we know the amount of capital that we can spare for our trading. However, the income from the network is unlimited. My suggestion always to the team members and everybody who's watching this is that, well, let's concentrate on the unlimited so that we can continue to fill up whatever limitation we have in our trading. One day will come, we will have a nice, fat, juicy capital, which will give us passive income, as well as the network would have grown, and we would be able to enjoy this time of sharing with people to say that what we have found something that works. I am really, really proud to share this because I found something that works. I found something that has provided me the privilege to share with people to say that network marketing truly is that platform that would give anybody a chance. Anybody who's willing to run with it, a chance to change and transform their life financially. We've been talking about that for many people. I am one person who advocates financial freedom. I'm one person who believes that financial freedom is not just for a chosen few, it's for anybody and everybody. However, many platforms have not allowed us to be able to prove that. Royal Q has allowed me to prove it, hence I am living my dream. My dream of not just financial freedom, my dream of really being able to help people see the value of working with an organization that will be fair to them. Royal Q has respected us by giving us a compensation plan that will be fair to us. Now our part is really to joyfully share Royal Q with anybody and everybody, because if it is not functioning well, it is not doing its part, then there will not be this commission. They do not understand the compensation plan well and recognize the rank up structure. Work closely with the people who you think that you want to work with, and make it a point to really, really recognize that this compensation plan is really pro networker. It is for you, but understand it correctly. There are no loopholes. There are only points to understand. Again, my assurance to you is that the compensation plan will continue to surprise you many times, time and time again. Because why? Right now, even as I share again with you the team size is 78,737. It's shifted a little bit from the beginning when I showed you. These 78,737 people are contributing to my daily income. It is worth building your team. Build it right, build it correctly by understanding the compensation plan, Speak to us anytime you'd like to. On the other hand, we have also decided that we would want to work with anybody who would be interested to change their life, and we have set up a website for it. We want to ensure that everybody get a chance to understand and learn whatever they need to learn from for what they need, the tools that they need to start their career, their journey on RoyalQ. And this is exactly what we have done. We have created a website so that they would be able to 24/7 you will have access to it, right? With that, I thank you very much. If you find this video, if you are the one who are watching this, I believe that you're looking for financial freedom. I believe that you really would like to have your life transformed, right? If this is you, then let me welcome you on board, and let me tell you that this is really going to be a time of your life, because truly there isn't any other platform that has done this much for us. I thank you and I welcome you if you would like to join us. Otherwise, if you are already in the team of RoyalQ, then I tell you that you have done a great thing. Pick yourself up from wherever you are if you're not really enjoying the income that I've just showed you, and speak to the people who have brought you in. You will never regret this moment. 2023 can start the way my 2022 started. Don't let this year pass doing exactly what you did last year, expecting a different result. This is the time to make the difference, make the change, make that change that is going to make a difference in your life, for you and your family. With that, I thank you and I congratulate you for taking time, paying attention to this video, and I wish you all the best. Stay blessed. We will meet again on other videos. Thank you so much.